Hi. Oh my god, I look like
burnt chicken nugget.
Hi. So, what do you want? You've been so random today. Yes, ma'am. Do you need something? So yeah, okay. I've been wanting to do something creative lately. I've been especially wanting to paint. And guys, I'm not a great artist. Well, my medium is not painting for sure. I'm more of a writer, but you know what? I've really been wanting to get back into painting because I used to really enjoy painting when I was younger. And I was pretty good, and now I think my skills have regressed dramatically. I think I'm gonna go to Michael's and buy some paint and some canvases, maybe some stuff that's on sale. We'll see, depending on how I feel. Maybe I'll record a little bit in the store, but I don't know. We'll see. I do not like recording in public spaces. It just feels weird to me. So we'll see how this goes. So yeah, all right, bye. I was just about to leave.
Oh, look at this. I got this yesterday.
Do you want to come?
Where you going?
Michael's.
Sure. Yeah,
Okay. I'm at Michael's. Michael Jordan, where we bowl. We go up and down the court, aka the aisles, and buy paint. Okay, see you in a minute. I found goods. Now I'm trying to get some canvas. Try not to record by people because this is so awkward. I got the goods. It's my old friend. We got away with a great ransom. It was 36 bucks for how many pallets I got? I got this one 7-piece, and this is 11 by 14. Yeah, I should. And let me come back in the car.
I wanna go.
Ugh.
I wanna go.
Well, let me set you up. Ow.
You good, Chief?
You good? I'm good. Yeah, it was 36 bucks. I got, how many pallets did I get? 10 pallets. I got three really big ones, like, I think it was like 24 by 18 or something like that. And really big, really cheap. They were both $10 each. And then I got basically a full spectrum of paint, you know, like the regular acrylic, you know, generic brand or Michael's brand or whatever. And that one was like 12 bucks. And then I got a $3 like palette so I could, you know, paint with and mix and match and stuff like that. So yeah, we're on the way back to the house. It's hotter than mug. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. We're gonna jam out in the car. Is that a thumbnail? Maybe. I'm hoping Stella doesn't try and get in the paint, but she's kind of got the zoomies right now, so she might get in the paint. As long as she don't go hard in the paint, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna make some interesting portrait, I believe. We'll see. Anyways, I'm waiting for Tia to get downstairs so we can get this started.
This town is a game of chess, but no one's taking this queen down.
quite yet, but we're getting there.
Another disaster avoided. My life had become a minefield. Amen.
Okay. Y'all, I'm done. It looks better from far away. Now I'm gonna hold you. Y'all, just FYI, I'm not a painter. They say I'm a painter, and I say no. But I tried, and you know, that's it. I think this is pretty decent for someone that does not paint. So, I had fun. It was nice. It was relaxing. I kept like thinking about painting something for a while, and I finally got to do it. And you know what? Art is a progression, and I will progress as I continue to paint and do other forms of artistry, okay? Anyways, thanks for following me around today, and you know, just like being with me in spirit, okay? I really appreciate it. And thanks for subscribing. Yeah, and welcome to the fam bam, cousin, because I'm your favorite cousin, the weird cousin. Anyways, I'm rambling, so I gotta go to bed, obviously, because I'm tired. I will talk to you guys in a few days, whenever I see you, whenever that is. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, night, my goodness, evening, safe travel or safe whatever you're doing. And you know, don't do anything I wouldn't do, because that's saying a lot. Okay, I didn't say okay bye, but okay bye.